Hello, sweethearts. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Want to see how I did these amazing medium twists? Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere, and I'll show you. My subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Wash, conditioned, and stretched. That's it, you guys. Okay, this hair, I got it from my local beauty supply store, but you guys can get it anywhere. I will be using rubber bands, so make sure you soak your rubber bands in oil. Don't soak them too long, because if you soak them too long, then they'll break while they're in your hair. Sweethearts, all of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. I know these parts seem huge, but that's why they're kind of medium slash like large. I'm only going to do 11 of these twists, 2 in the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the middle, and 4 at the top. As you can see, I am putting these a little tight, but they are going to be loosened because we are crocheting the hair in, so do not worry about that. I always put edge control around my edges as I'm doing my hair because I am going to be putting edge control on throughout the days, throughout the weeks of this hairstyle being in, so I might as well put it on right now. Sweethearts, the only time consuming part of these twists is parting and putting the rubber bands in. I promise you. You do want your parts to be nice and neat, so this does take a little time. Other than that, this hairstyle does not take long at all. So be patient, get cute, baby, and the results will come out great at the end. And this is not a protective style because we are putting rubber bands in. Just look how nice and neat these are. Like I said, it did take time, but it looks good. All right, so let's get started. I'm putting the shine and gem on each part just so it will, look neat as they're going into the twist. So you won't have a lot of flyaways coming out of the twist. Okay, when you're putting the hair through, it's going to seem like it's hard to get through, but all you got to do is just kind of pull it through. The rubber band will loosen up just a little to get the hair through so you can start twisting. So what I did with these, I'm making sure I'm tucking my hair into the hair. I'm tucking, I'm trying to hide my hair in it, and then I'm going to start twisting from there. I hope that me twisting like this is not going to be too hard for you to get. So I'm twisting one piece and then I'm holding it together and then twisting that piece together with the other piece. So I'm twisting each twist and then twisting those together. Okay, you guys, I'm going to demonstrate one more time. So I'm twisting the twist on the side, and then remember I'm tucking my hair into the hair as well. And then I'm twisting those two twists together. That's how you get that nice twist. On the ends of each twist, I was going to like knot them up together or braid them together, but I went ahead and grabbed a rubber band and just twisted some rubber bands on the end just to secure them better. I did leave out a little piece of hair just so I can get my edges together. You guys, I'm not the best edger, but I'll be trying. I'll be trying. Work with me, baby. After I finish rubbing this into my hair, I am going to lay down, or I am going to walk around for a couple of hours and just tie something over my head. As you can see at the top, I just put my scarf on and then I just relaxed. Basically let this dry into my hair. And these are the beautiful results, my sweethearts. Look at it. It's shiny. It is pretty. I like the black. I like how it sits on my face. It's beautiful. It's an easy hairstyle to do. You guys, it did not take that long at all. Please don't forget to like. Please comment. Let me know how you feel. Please share. And most definitely, if you're new here, please subscribe to the family. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.